Either of these tiny things killing you, but you can't do about it. They are rubbish. Before it was just like...
Johnny's doctorate in medicine. Unfortunately, he was again kicked out of school, and this time it was personal. The school was strict.
You gotta look out, man. You almost hit me back there.
There's a huge sign. You're supposed to stop. You stop. You want to check the camera?
Yeah, we can check camera. I don't have a stop sign right there, bro.
There's a huge sign for you. There's a huge sign. Go back. There's a huge sign for you. There's a huge sign. Pay attention. I made a stop and then I went. You should yield. Go back and check and let me know.
Yeah, I will.
Okay? I know how to drive. I have 30 years driving.
Yeah, cool. I'll take
Right?
you to riding. Cool. That's nice. You should have pulled up right next to me, brother.
Yep.
You're supposed to be behind me right now.
You came next to me first. What are you talking about? You talk too much.
You talk too much, brother.
Go ahead.
All right, fine.
Go.
Praise going on up here. Look. The burgundy car right there and the car right here. Look, check them out. Look. Oh, look at that. Babe, go on. Let's see what's gonna go down now. Oh. Look at him. Oh. They go red. Why don't nobody stop being stupid?
Boom.
Dang. Y'all, we might end up missing it. They driving like a fool up there. Got it, gone, y'all. They still, look, they go one back. I don't know what the other one is. There you go. Look, he's not giving up a hug, whatever it is, it's not.
Shut up.
Oh my god. 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 What the fuck? Is it off?
Want to go chase him?
No.
If you have a life-threatening emergency, hang up and dial 911.
You're gonna get it! Coward!
Did you know that you can also utilize the weapon?
He has a gun.
Oh.
Babe, he has a gun. Get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Baby, he has a gun. Oh my god. Baby. Babe. Oh my god. Oh my god.
They're so close.
Oh my god.
They're gone.
Oh my god, please, there's somebody shooting over here. There is a wreck.
What are you doing? God, you Jesus Christ.
Oh.